An evil car plans to take over the city. Will it succeed, or will the police cars stop it? Don't skip, watch the full video.
Password
007.
Be careful, it's too powerful.
Hey, Spider, nice costume did your mommy make it?
NANI?!
I just received the Col-1 Spider car is attacking innocent vehicles. This is the antidote. Use your wings and catch that stupid car.
Huh?
Spider car, stop immediately and surrender. You're surrounded.
Please help. I'm stuck. Please help. Is anyone there? Look at the clock. You are under my control. You are my servant. Do exactly as I command.
The Joker car is hypnotizing the fire truck. Let's see what happens next. Don't skip the video. The Joker car has kidnapped the cars and hidden them in its secret place. Will the police cars find them? Don't skip the video.
We will meet tonight at 12 o'clock on Street 007. Go now. We will meet tonight at the same time.
We received a complaint. The cars went missing last night.
Red fire truck. There's an accident near Hospital Road. Handle that case and assist the car. Blue unit, take the other car and begin the investigation immediately. Hey, where's Blue?
He was assigned traffic duty yesterday. He said he doesn't need anyone's help.
Okay, all of you go.
Oh no!
Fire engines aren't meant for traffic control. Why did he say that?
Police cars suspected the fire truck and started a secret investigation.
Release him immediately. If you don't, I will destroy you. Where are the kidnapped cars?
The police car called the red police car. The red police car reached the right place and rescued all the kidnapped cars. The moral of the story is, avoid going outside at night, listen to your parents, and stay safe.
Free drinks, free drinks, come quickly, free drinks for everyone.
A mysterious car is giving free drinks to everyone, but are those drinks safe? Let's find out what happens.
Hey, look! Free drinks.
No, don't take anything that's free. We don't know who he is or what his intentions are.
Do you have a license to serve these drinks on the street?
These are my drinks and my money. Who are you to question? Hey, sir, wait, I'm innocent.
The police car felt something was wrong, so he took the strange car into custody.
Bonk.
Hello, officer. Some cars are infected with a virus. It's spreading to other cars. Please come quickly.
Officers, stop the virus-infected cars and use spider guns. Do not harm the infected cars.
Load the antidote into your weapon and fire it into the sky. When the rain falls, it will spread the cure, and all infected cars will return to normal.
Never take food or drinks from strangers. Always stay safe and be careful. Let's go fast. We must deliver these logs on time. Hello, officer. Our log truck is stuck in the mud. We are in the middle of the forest. Please send help quickly.
This truck is heavy. I can't do it alone. Let's work together and pull it out.
With teamwork and strength, the truck was rescued. The logs were delivered on time.